Hello everyone, this is just a quick update video. If you've been to my website, RackNerdReviews.com, it's reasonably fast, but I've got a CDN, I'm on basic hosting because it's part of my reseller package. So I get a proportion of CPU and I get 1 gig of RAM, but the site is a bit sluggish. And I'm looking to add some more training on the website, so I'll need a membership plugin, maybe WooCommerce, but it will be mostly free training. And what I thought, I've got a couple of VPS servers that are just lying around that I've already paid up front for. So I'm going to be moving my site to a beefy VPS server. It's a 4 CPU, 6 gigs. It's a pretty chunky server. And if you're interested in the server, I'll put a link down below where I get my servers from. And here you can pick up a great offer. I'll actually link to the offer as well if it's still active. I'll double check that. But anyway, because I'm using WordPress, luckily WordPress is pretty easy to move around. So I can just create a complete identical backup, a clone, install WordPress on my VPS, and then just replace it there, import it there. Now what I'm using a free package called, let me show you. It's called CyberPanel. Now, with CyberPanel, there's a free version with Open Lightspeed. I highly recommend Open Lightspeed because it does really boost the performance of your website. And yeah, I mean, if you've never worked with VPS before, I haven't done much with VPS servers, but it's a big security challenge. So there are some things that you need to be careful of. But just for testing and to see performance, I'm just going to move it over for a little while and see how it goes. And of course, make regular backups and set up the firewalls. But to install CyberPanel, it's basically pretty much just a it's basically just a question of just logging into your backend via Telnet. I use an app called Bitvise, which is also free. Enter your root username and password, and then once you log in, it's always recommended to update. So you can find the commands online, but it's apt space update, apt upgrade, and so on. And then you just copy and paste the URL, which is what I've just done. And I'm in the process of installing CyberPanel. But let me just go back here and show you. I did try CyberPanel before, about 6 months ago, maybe a year ago. And it was working alright. It was a bit buggy, but they have seemed to upgrade it quite a lot, and it's very popular. I think DigitalOcean actually offer it as an app they can pre-install for you. So to me, that gives it a level of trust and reliability. So it has come a long way since I first tried it. Yeah, I'll be using version 2.3 stable. I always go for stable versions. There are some good updates, but for me, I'm not really interested in anything else. I just want to install my WordPress site on there, have good CPU and RAM, and then just make sure everything runs smoothly. So I'll get into installing it, and then I'll probably do another video just to update you. Thanks. I was going to end the video, but I thought I'd just show you a few steps how to install CyberPanel. So you just basically go through the questions. So you press 1 to install CyberPanel with Open Lightspeed, highly recommended, unless you've paid for a Lightspeed Enterprise license, which I doubt you have. And then do you want to install the full package, so Power, DNS, Postfix, and Pure FTPD? I don't know what that is, but I know Postfix. So yes. Do you want to set up remote MySQL? Nope. And then you set a random password, and where are we now? Yes, you want to install memcached. Yes. Redis, yes. Because with my current host, which I've been with them for about 2 years, they're very good. The pricing is amazing, and the support has been incredible. But because of security, they won't allow memcached and Redis on their packages, which is a bit annoying because I did see in some other videos, I think by Adam at WP Crafter, he really recommended installing these, Redis especially. But anyway, so I'll say yes to that. We have to say yes. I don't know what this is, but I think I can kill it later on. That's it, so it's installing. So anyway, I'll leave it for now, and I'll make a new video once I've got it all installed. Thank you, bye.